Hello listeners, how to freeze data in Microsoft Excel. Download the practice file if you are watching also YouTube. Let's dive in. So I want to freeze my header now, so I can choose any part of my header here. So let me just click ID. I'll go to view here, go to freeze, then I'll click on tab, free tab. So this is it. You can see I've already freed the tab here. So very easy. Let's how to freeze column D and E. So what I'll do is let me unfreeze first. Then I'll click on department, that is F2 there. Then I'll come here and I'll click on freeze pane. So when I scroll to the right, you can see it's actually frozen. You can work with different data with this. Let me unfreeze this too. Now another way to unfreeze is to convert your data to table. Ctrl A, then Ctrl T. So you can click on OK. So when you click on OK, let me change the star here. I'll click on light so they can set. So if I scroll down now, you can see that I'm actually working with it. Is that? But in case you don't want this icon to show, it's kind of filter. So just click on filter here, then click on rounded. So just uncheck them. So this is what we have. So if I want to, let me quickly do this. If I want to convert back to normal, right click, go to table, convert it to range and click on yeah. So that is it. If you want to work in a particular role, so let me click on 12 here. So I'll click on split. So if you split into two, you can see our header is split into two. You can be able to see more of your data. Same thing goes here. You can be able to see it. So let me unsplit it. So now another thing, if you want to actually work in all your data, you can just click here and split it into 4 columns. Then you can say you can actually work on it. So you can actually work on different columns you actually want to work on it. So see you in next training. Light out.